As you can see, this is your mathematics book. Open it now. Before starting the exercise, let us see some important points. Test for divisible of numbers. So number is 2. A number is divisible by 2 of its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को ये देखना है कि वो 2 से डिविजिबल हो रहा है या नहीं, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, वंस डिजिट पर उसके 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 होना चाहिए. नाउ एग्जाम्पल आप देखेंगे 64. सो 64 में वंस प्लेस पर 4 है. So 4 is divisible by 2. So it means 64 is also divisible by 2. Okay. Now 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Example आप देखेंगे 51261 means 51,261 is our number. So sum of the digits is, इन digits को हम प्लस करेंगे. So our answer is 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. Number 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digit is either 00 or divisible by 4. So see the example 7500. So in this number last two digit is 00. So it means this number is divisible by 4. Now 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones digit is either 0 or 5. See the example 25, 65, 90, 120. So in these numbers last digit means ones place पर हमारे 5 और zeros हैं. So it means these are divisible by 5. Now 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digit and the number formed by other digit is either 0 or divisible by 7. See the example 847 means 84 में से हम माइनस कर देंगे 2 multiply 7. So 84 minus 14 equal to 70. So 70 is divisible by 7. Therefore this number is divisible by 7. Now 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last three digits is either 000 or divisible by 8. Okay. Now 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. See the example 4698. So sum of digits is 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. So this number is also divisible by 9. Now 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. Okay. Now 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of its digit at the odd place and the sum of its digit at even place starting from ones place is either 0 or divisible by 11. Okay. In 61,831. So sum of digit of at odd places. So 1 plus 8 plus 6 is 15. Now sum of digit at even places. So 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now difference find करेंगे. So difference is 11. So which is divisible by 11? It means this number is also divisible by 11. Now some more divisibility rules. First आप देखेंगे if a number is divisible by another number then it is also divisible by each factor of that number. For example 40 is divisible by 8. So factor of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Means also 40 is also divisible by 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay. Now second point, if a number is divisible by each of two co-primary numbers then it is also divisible by their product. Example आप देखेंगे 80 is divisible by both 8 and 5 which are co-prime numbers. Therefore 80 is also divisible by the product of 8 and 5 means 40. Now third point, if two numbers are divisible by another number then their sum is also divisible by that number. Example, the numbers 42 and 49 both are divisible by 7. So sum of 42 and 49 is 91. So 91 is also divisible by 7. Now fourth point, if two numbers are divisible by another number then their difference is also divisible by that number. For example, the numbers 45 and 18 both are divisible by 9. So difference of 45 and 18 equal to 27. So 27 is also divisible by 9. Now start our exercise 3.D. A part is select the correct answer. First question, which of the following numbers is divisible by 3? So हमें क्या करना है, हमें जो भी ऑप्शंस दी गई है उनके नंबर्स को हम ऐड करके देखेंगे कि वो 3 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं या नहीं. सो आप एक बार डी ऑप्शन चेक करेंगे. 4 + 2 + 1 + 5 + 0 = 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. So D option is correct. Now second question, if a number is divisible by both 3 and 8, then it must be divisible by. So D option is correct. 3 × 8. Okay, now third question, without actual division, which of the following numbers is divisible by 2, 3 and 5? So B option is correct. 4980. Now fourth question, which of the following numbers is divisible by 11? So 11 के लिए हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, सम ऑफ डिजिट एट इवन प्लेस एंड सम ऑफ डिजिट एट ओड प्लेस, देन माइनस करते हैं. सो अगर हमारा 0 या 11 आता है तो इट मीन्स दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 11. नाउ आप बी ऑप्शन चेक करेंगे, सम ऑफ डिजिट एट इवन प्लेस. सो 6 + 5 = 11. नाउ सम ऑफ डिजिट एट ओड प्लेस. सो 7 + 4 = 11. नाउ डिफरेंस 11 - 11 is 0, which is divisible by 11. Okay, now B option is correct. Now B part, solve the following. First question is, using the divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 के लिए हम कौन सी कंडीशन अप्लाई करते हैं, अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 इफ इट्स वन डिजिट इज 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8. ओके, नाउ A part is 1564. so its one place is 4, therefore 1564 is divisible by 2. Okay, now B part is 3300. so 0 1 place पर क्या है, इसके 0 है. so it means this number is also divisible by 2. now C part हमारा है 1977. so 1 place पर इसके 7 है. so this number is not divisible by 2. okay, D part is 8321. so 1 place पे हमारा 1 है. so therefore this number is not divisible by 2. now second question, using the divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 3. so 3 के लिए कौन सी कंडीशन अप्लाई करते हैं, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. A option is 2255. so firstly digits को प्लस करेंगे, 2 + 2 + 5 + 5. so answer is 14. so 14 is not divisible by 3, therefore 2255 is not divisible by 3. now B part 3060. so firstly digits को प्लस करेंगे, so our answer is 9. so 9 is divisible by 3, therefore 3060 is divisible by 3. similarly C and D part करेंगे. Question 3, using the divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4. so a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits is either 00 or divisible by 4. so A part is 42084. so last digit is 84. so 84 is divisible by 4, therefore 42084 is divisible by 4. now B part 12554. so last two digit is 54. so 54 is not divisible by 4, therefore 12554 is not divisible by 4. similarly C and D part करेंगे. now question number 4, using the divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by both 5 and 10. so a number is divisible by 5 if its one digit is either 0 or 5 and divisible by 10 if its one digit is 0. so A part is 9999. so since the digit at one place of 9999 is neither 0 or 5, therefore 9999 is not divisible by 5 and 10. now B part 27645. so since the digit at one place of 27645 is 5, therefore 27,645 is divisible by 5 but not divisible by 10. So 27,645 is not divisible by both 5 and 10. So C part, 83,810. Since the digit at one place of 83,810 is 0, therefore 83,810 is divisible by both 5 and 10. Okay, now D part, 1,26,789. So since the digit at one place of 1,26,789 is neither 0 nor 5, therefore this number is not divisible by 5 and 10. Now question 5, test the divisibility of the following numbers by 6. So 6 के लिए कौन सी कंडीशन अप्लाई होती है? A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So A part is 6,686. So since the digit at one's place of 6,686 is 6, therefore this number is divisible by 2. Now 3 के लिए हम देखेंगे. So firstly digits को प्लस करेंगे. So प्लस करने के बाद हमारा है 26. So 26 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. Now B part 2856 है. So उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Firstly, since the digit at one's place of 2856 is 6, therefore this number is divisible by 2. Okay. Now sum of the digits of 2856 is 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 6. Similarly C and D part करेंगे. Now question number 6. See in your book, test the divisibility of the following number by 7. So 7 के लिए क्या करेंगे? A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digit and the number formed by other digits is either 0 or divisible by 7. So A part is our 1505. So the digit at one's place of 1505 is 5. The number formed by other digits is 150. So according to the rule, 150 minus 2 multiply 5. So 150 minus 10 equal to 140. So 140 is divisible by 7. Therefore this number is divisible by 7. Now B part, number is 1673. The digit at one's place of this number is 3. The number found by other digits is 167. According to the rule, 167 minus 2 multiply 3. So 167 minus 6 equal to 161, which is divisible by 7. So therefore this number is also divisible by 7. So बाकी के C and D part आप follow करेंगे. Now question number 7, using the divisibility test to determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 8. So इसके लिए कौन सी कंडीशन अप्लाई करेंगे? A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits is either 000 or divisible by 8. So first part is our 7876. Since the last 3 digits of 7876 is 876, which is not divisible by 8, therefore this number is not divisible by 8. Now next B part, since the last 3 digits of this number is 192, which is divisible by 8, therefore this number is divisible by 8. Okay. Now C part is 5,96,800. Since the last 3 digits of this number is 800, which is divisible by 8, so this number is divisible by 8. Now D part, 20,38,984. Since the last 3 digits of this number is 984, which is divisible by 8, therefore this number is divisible by 8. Now question number 8, using the divisibility test to determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 9. So a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So A part is 8539. So sum of the digits of this number is 25, which is not divisible by 9. Therefore this number is not divisible by 9. Now B part, 39,465. So sum of digit of this number is 27. So 27 is divisible by 9, therefore this number is divisible by 9. Similarly हम C and D part करेंगे. Now question number 9, using the divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. So a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of its digits at odd places and sum of its digits at even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. So A part is 5082. So sum of digits at odd places of 5082 is 2 plus 0 equal to 2. Now sum of digits at even places of 5082 is 8 plus 5 equal to 13. Now difference 13 minus 2 equal to 11. So which is divisible by 11. Therefore this number is divisible by 11. Now B part, 80,619. So sum of digits at odd places of 80,619 is 9 plus 6 plus 8 equal to 23. Okay. Now sum of digits at even places of 80,690 is 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Now difference करेंगे हम. A option is 2255. So firstly digits को plus करेंगे, 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5. So answer is 14. So 14 is not divisible by 3. Therefore 2255 is not divisible by 3. Now B part, 3060. So firstly digits को plus करेंगे. So our answer is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore 3060 is divisible by 3. Similarly C and D part करेंगे. Now question number 10, replace a by the smallest and the greatest digit so that the number formed are divisible by 3. So C A part, A 1 2 3 4. So find the value of A, sum of digits of this number. A plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to A plus 10. The number just greater than 10 which is divisible by 3 is 12. Hence the required smallest digit 12 minus 10 equal to 2. So our smallest digit is 2. Okay. Now greatest digit find करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, multiplies of 3 greater than 10 are कौन कौन से नंबर हैं, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. Now difference find करेंगे. 12 minus 10 equal to 2, 15 minus 10 equal to 5, 18 minus 10 equal to 8, 21 minus 10 equal to 11. So here 11 is 2 digit number. Okay. Hence the required greater digit is 8. So smallest digit is 2 and greatest digit is 8. Now C part, see in your book the number is 1258A. Okay. Now firstly sum of digit of this number 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus A equal to 16 plus A. Now the number just greater than 16 which is divisible by 3 is 18. Hence the required smallest digit is 18 minus 16 equal to 2. Okay. Now multiply of 3 greater than 16 are 18, 21, 24, 27 and so on. Now difference find करेंगे. So 18 minus 16 equal to 2, 21 minus 16 equal to 5, 24 minus 16 equal to 8, 27 minus 16 equal to 11. So here 11 is not a digit. Okay. Hence the required greatest digit is 8. Similarly beta, you have to solve B and D part. Now question number 11, write the smallest digit in the blank space to make the number divisible by 11. So A part, see in your book 180-4. So let the required digit in the blank space be x. The sum of digits at odd place equal to 4 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 5. The sum of digits at even place equal to x plus 8. Now difference, x plus 8 minus 5 equal to x plus 3. Because number is divisible by 11, therefore x plus 3 equal to 11 or x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now find the value of x. X equal to 11 minus 3 equal to 8 हमारा आ गया एक x की वैल्यू. Now other side x plus 3 equal to 0 है. So x equal to 0 minus 3 and then x equal to minus 3. So minus 3 हमारी digit नहीं हो सकती बेटा. So our answer is 8. Therefore required number is 8. Okay. Now C part, C part is our, see in your book, 9-2389. So firstly let the required digit in the blank space be x. The sum of digits at odd places equal to 9 plus 3 plus x equal to 12 plus x. Now the sum of digits at even places equal to 8 plus 2 plus 9 equal to 19. Now difference 19 minus 12 plus x. So 19 minus 12 minus x equal to 7 minus x. Because the number is divisible by 11, so 7 minus x equal to 11 or 7 minus x equal to 0. Now find the value of x. So minus x equal to 11 minus 7. Now minus x equal to 4. So x equal to minus 4. Now the other side, 7 minus x equal to 0, minus x equal to 0 minus 7. Then minus x equal to minus 7. So minus से minus cut हो गया. So x equal to 7. So minus 4 is not our answer. So because digit cannot be negative, okay, therefore required number is 7. Similarly you have to solve B and D parts. Question number 12, determine if 2,41,032 is divisible by 66. So 66 can be factorized as 11 multiply 6. So divisibility of this number by 11, okay. सो फर्स्टली हम 11 से देखेंगे ये नंबर डिवाइड हो रहा है या नहीं. ओके, सम ऑफ डिजिट्स एट ओड प्लेसेस इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 0 प्लस 4 इक्वल टू 6. सम ऑफ डिजिट्स एट इवन प्लेसेस इक्वल टू 3 प्लस 1 प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 6. नाउ डिफरेंस फाइंड करेंगे. 6 माइनस 6 इक्वल टू 0 विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 11. देयरफॉर दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 11. नाउ डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ दिस नंबर बाय 6. अब 6 से हम फाइंड करेंगे. So since the digit at one's place of this number is 2, so therefore this number is divisible by 2. Now अब हम 3 से देखेंगे कि ये नंबर 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है या नहीं. उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, सम ऑफ डिजिट्स ऑफ दिस नंबर. सो 2 प्लस 4 प्लस 1 प्लस 0 प्लस 3 प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 12. So which is divisible by 3, therefore this number is divisible by 3. So that this number is divisible by 6, as हम क्या कह सकते हैं, 2,41,032 is divisible by both 11 and 6. Therefore this number is divisible by 66. Now question 13, a number is divisible by 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be also divisible? So we know that 5 and 12 are co-prime numbers. Since the number is divisible by 5 and 12, hence the number is also divisible by product of 5 and 12. So 5 multiplied 12 equal to 60. Now question number 14, see in your book, a number is divisible by 24. By which other numbers will the number be also divisible? So we know that if a number is divisible by 24, then it will also divisible by its all factors like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Now children, your exercise is over. Your homework is that you have to write it in your notebook. Thank you students.